Alrighty, what's going on, guys? We're off to Napa Valley this morning. Hunter and I are grabbing the rest of our gear, putting it in his brand new Bronco, and we are driving about 5 hours this morning to go film for 2 resorts that we got hired. They're putting us up for 3 nights, so we're gonna have an incredible time while we're there. We're gonna take you along for the ride, and this is a vlog style video with our new mic, and we're gonna get right into it. So we'll see ya.
We had 4 of them total, 2 each. 10 out of 10. It's so fast, it's literally like stuck in my throat right now. I feel in my chest. I have a baby chicklet just fucking kicking in my chest right now.
2.5 hours to go. We got another little update for you. Nothing's happened since the last time we checked in.
We've seen a lot of cows.
We've seen more cows. There's some greenery right there. It's lunchtime. We're gonna make some sandwiches. We got some groceries before. And we're gonna just stop, make a quick sandwich. We'll put you on the channel. It's called Altitude University.
Alps.
All right, guys, so we just got here. We're pulling into the village. There's a bunch of really cool vineyards. Take a look at this.
This is the first hotel we're shooting
That's
at
the
right
first
here.
one right there. Beautiful vineyards out front.
That's where we're eating right there, this restaurant right here, Lucy.
Yeah, so we're eating at Lucy tonight, right in this cool little neighborhood.
This is these are like 2 of the nicest hotels in Napa Valley, so we're gonna be getting some really cool content.
Oh, I love the vines. Look at those. Here.
I lost my car keys already.
Oh, they're in my pocket.
Oh, they are?
Perfect. Awesome. Yeah. Today we are at Bardessono Resort, which is one of the top resorts. We had a great time walking around, shooting some pictures. We got some drone shots earlier, and now we're in one of their top villas. This villa is about $4,000 a night, and we're on the left side of this villa, which is one of them. Celebrities stay here, big sports team owners stay here, and when they do, they connect these 2 villas together. So I'll show you a little bit of the villa that we're inside right now and a few pictures as we go through it, but then I'm gonna show you how they connect together to make an $8,000 a night villa. So right next to the resort, there's an awesome village which has coffee shops, restaurants, and wine tasting. Today we have a little bit of break in between the resorts that we're shooting, so we're gonna hop on some bikes, and they provided us with a couple of really cool bikes to go kind of just see the area, see some of the vineyards. There's a lot of grapes and vines that are right in the area. So we're gonna go hop on some bikes, ride around a little bit, and we'll cue the B-roll. So a lot of our students want to know the best way to approach a resort like this and close a deal where you're doing, drone photos of the resort, putting together a luxury video of the resort. And we just met with the team here, the marketing manager of the development company. So they own both resorts. They were able to comp, the 3-night stay. We've had, amazing dinners while we're here. And in addition to that, during the day, we actually film and create the videos as we go through it. So what we do is when we approach a resort like this, we put together kind of like a shot list of deliverables. So we have aerial photos, we have interior photos of some of the different styles of floor plans that they have that you can stay at when you stay at this resort. And then in addition to that, we have aerial photos which kind of capture the full extent of where you are.
We are back from Napa Valley. It was such a fun trip. The drive back was a lot longer than the drive there. We honestly didn't even bring out the camera. We were pretty tired from not only all the food we ate, but also all of the filming we did while we were there. It was a lot of fun. We're back editing the 2 final videos and all the photos we got of the 2 hotels. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, where we're actually kind of more vlog style and you get to kind of meet us and see our personalities in front of the camera, let us know. If you want to see more videos like this, check out all the content we have on our YouTube channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.